What's up, YouTube? My name is Ty, financial advisor. Welcome to my channel. Please like the video, please subscribe, and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. So here is IMPP, Imperial Petroleum. This finishes at 75 cents today. That is up 27.12%.
Winning.
So it's been a while since we discussed this stock. Haven't talked about it in a few months since this first squeeze when the whole Russia thing happened. But today, this did make top 10 on StockTwits. Believe it had over 4,000 mentions. Big price action. So once again, we're going to analyze it. So really no company-specific news to justify this price action today. It just seems like oil is really hot right now. Energy has been the one sector that's been consistently strong. And this seems to be really retail-driven. Again, really hot stock on social media right now. So Ape's definitely playing a big role here. So this may have gamma squeezed today. A lot of volume here. Biggest volume day of the year. All right, let's jump right in. Let's go ahead and analyze here. So there's not too much here, but first of all, this appears to be a cup and handle in the making. Bottom of the cup being the low of 38 cents. And there can be multiple possible tops. It can be 110, 155, 180, 230, 295, 420, nice, 610, or even the high of 970. But those are all bullish indicators. That is telling us that the stock should come back up to one of those tops to complete the cup. And then we do have a double gap down. First gap down is back here at 470. So that's a bullish indicator. That is telling us that the stock should come back up to 470 eventually to fill this gap. And the second gap down is back here at 555. So another bullish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back up to 555 eventually to fill this gap. But it seems like those are going to take a while to fill. Probably going to happen in the long term. In the aftermarket here, this is running up to 76 cents. So that is a bullish indicator for tomorrow. If this holds, that is suggesting that tomorrow the stock runs to the upside as well. And if you guys want to follow along, the link to the chart is in the description down below. So right now this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 78 cents and 66 cents. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 78 cents, 86 cents, 90 cents, 97 cents, 110, 115, 125, 135, 145, and then 155. There is resistance above 155, but we're not going to discuss that right now. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 66 cents, 56 cents, 48 cents, 40 cents, and then the low of 38 cents. So right now at the current price, 75 cents, the channels to the upside and the downside are pretty decently sized. So expect a regular amount of price action either way this goes. However, if/when this breaks 230 to the upside, the channels start to open up and get really wide, so expect a significant increase in price action if/when this breaks 230. RSI is currently at 54, so that is pretty average, a little bit above average. So according to the RSI, the current price of 75 cents is around fair market value. Maybe it should be a little bit lower. And this did 252 million in volume today. Very significant volume, biggest volume day ever for the stock. So this pump/squeeze today was confirmed by the volume. Okay guys, just my opinion, not financial advice. So based on the charts here, there's not too many indicators to go off of because this is a pretty new stock. But the cup and handle and the double gap down are bullish indicators. There are no bearish indicators, and we have a neutral indicator in the RSI. So the stock does look pretty bullish in the short and long terms. This is definitely a long-term hold to me though, not really a swing trade. Swing trading, this could be pretty risky. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice. You missed a lot of upside already in the past week. But 75 cents is still a pretty decent entry. Very average entry. Not great, but not terrible. In the grand scheme of things, in the long term, it is a really good entry. There's a lot of upside to go here. So again, this should eventually come back up to 155 and 470 to fill the gaps. So from the current price of 75 cents up to 155, that's over a 100% upside. And from the current price 75 cents up to 470, that's over a 520% upside. So in the long term, there's a 100 to 520% upside potential here. Huge upside potential. And this really shouldn't go too much lower. This is already at a relative low. So I would say going long here would be a low risk, very high reward play. Definitely worth a shot in my opinion. Can't really go too wrong. Looks like a strong buy and hold to me. So I'd support going long at 75 cents and lower, and if it pulls back, then you can just average down at the supports that I mentioned before. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that for the same reasons I said to go long. Only bullish indicators right now, no bearish indicators, huge upside potential. In the long term, not much downside potential. So really no reason to go short here. I would say going short here would be a very high risk, low reward play. This already pulled back very significantly from the high of 970. Should have went short back then. So there are definitely way better short plays out there in the market, and IMPP is not one of them right now. Don't really see a reason why to go short here. So please don't do that, guys. Seems like a bad idea. All right, so pretty straightforward. The stock is recovering from an all-time low. Seems like shorts are starting to get squeezed out. A lot of retail momentum right now. Chart looks really bullish. A lot of upside potential in the long term. So I can't support going long right now. 75 cents, pretty average entry. Can't go too wrong here. Should pay off pretty big in the long term, and really no reason to go short here. Not too much downside potential. You're probably going to get burned. So congratulations to everyone who made money in the stock today, and good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is IMPP, Imperial Petroleum. Thanks everyone for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please, like the video. Please subscribe, and catch me every weekday after market close on The Smarter Gambling Show. You apes already know, diamond hands to the moon. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.